What to do if my business got affected by the pandemic? What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel, the number one place for 9-to-5 employees and rookie online business owners. In today's video, I really want to talk about the threat that majority of the business owners are facing right now, whether it's the sales which have decreased tremendously or you're also running your physical store despite having an online store and struggling to maintain your physical one. If you're interested to know how I handled it, then keep on watching. The first tip I have for you is to create content online and over-deliver them. I know you're affected badly, but calm down. Panicking doesn't solve a problem, but a solution does. If you don't have an online presence yet, you should quickly pivot and move your business online. Ignore creating a website and designing it for the moment because you want to be quick. Just go on Instagram or Facebook and open up a business page which will take you less than 10 minutes. Since your page is brand new, start taking up your phone and text all your existing clients and prospects that you have now moved online and tell them that you will be posting valuable content every single day. Have you heard of this quote from Warren Buffett? Be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. This is exactly how I deal with my business. While everyone is panicking, companies are laying off their employees, pay cut, and all these headlines are negative. I have two choices for you. You either follow the herd and stay on a negative environment or step out, think positively and really think of something that you can do. When all the businesses are temporarily closed due to COVID-19 and everyone is staying at home, their eyes are practically glued to their phone the entire day because people are bored at home. They are quarantined. Therefore, this is your best chance to over-deliver your content. If not now, then when? Use templates from Canva to create your content. It's completely free. If you don't know what content to create, then ask your clients. Ask them what are they hoping to see from you. Remember this, you can't meet your clients physically in person. So how do you preserve your relationship with your clients? Through content. I'm not trying to say you should create content and have a spam fest on their newsfeed with 10 posts every day. What I'm trying to emphasize is to have content that actually interact with your audience. When companies are shrinking, your goal here is to play an even bigger role when it comes to serving them. As a business owner, you and your team must be there for your clients. And frankly speaking, at the end of the day, only companies and businesses which are there for their clients are the ones actually going to last. The second tip I have for you is to increase awareness. I run a clothing business and I did a crazy buy one free one sunglasses deal. I actually first announced the deal on live. I was all pumped up and excited thinking that I'll be getting tons of customers purchasing right away during the live because this is such a great deal. But guess what? Nobody purchased, and all of a sudden in less than a day, my business Instagram account was loaded with PMs. We were just so busy replying each and every customer. We sold all the ready stocks in less than 1 day, and by now you must be wondering how the heck did I even earn money if that was a crazy deal. So here was what happened. To my surprise, my customers actually loved the product so much that even the ready stocks were all sold out. They're still willing to pay at the original price just to get the pre-order item. How crazy was that? I actually have been posting those shades on my stories many times, but no one purchased, not until the buy one free one promotion. I'm not sharing this to brag, but you can start applying something somewhat similar and think of how to provide bonuses, promotions, special deals to your customers in a way to attract the traffic to your page. Your customers will start talking about it, share it with their friends. Even if you end up not making any profits or making very little profit from it, gaining traffic and increasing your presence in social media at this time is more important. The last method on how I handle my business is through advertisement. I don't know if you guys realized it, but Facebook ad was a lot cheaper. I use the word was because once movement control orders starts to loosen up, the Facebook ads is now back to their original price. Facebook has been increasing their prices every year when it comes to advertisement. However, during this pandemic, the prices were as if it was back in 2016. At the same amount of price you invest into an ad, you are getting double of the views, double of the leads, double of the traffic. I have my ads running continuously until it stops bringing the traffic that I'm always receiving. Although the ads prices is not back to original, but trying to leverage in this area as much as possible. In this way, you don't only preserve what you have, but you can grow and thrive when everyone is just trying to survive. The fourth and last tip I have for you is to protect your company's biggest assets. Tons of businesses are laying off their biggest assets, which is their employees, and cutting off their pay. But what you can do instead as a business owner is to pivot your staff. For example, all your staff who work for you in your physical store, if you have one, they can now completely shift to virtual store. Co-work with existing staff who deals with the online tasks. You can now do this to protect and preserve your team by giving them certainty and assurance. I'm speaking from experience because I had tons of mistakes and I wish I had the luxury to do all this when I was running my physical store. But I'll be covering all this in my next video so that you don't make the same mistakes like I did. Nonetheless, I hope that how I handle my business will help you to handle yours too, if you're struggling, especially during this pandemic period. Don't forget to check out these 2 videos that I have for you as well. Again, I appreciate you and thanks for watching it all the way. I will see you in the next video.